Did you change your shirt?
Yes, Benita.
Did you shower?
Yes, Benita.
Did you fix your hair?
Yes, Benita.
Do you love me?
Yes, Benita.
Friend test. Send this vid to your friend. If they respond with haha or lol, they are a fake friend and don't watch your videos. If they respond with the pig emoji, they are a true friend and they watch your videos.
Five, six, seven, eight. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block. We can go in a loop and we'll turn the vibe up.
Hey best friend I love so much. We haven't talked in a while. I miss you. I know everything's kind of crazy right now, but I promise I'll see you again.
One thing I hate is when people are like, ooh, you like them. Ooh, you're blushing. Yeah, that means you like them. Like, no. It doesn't mean I like them. And I'm blushing because you're making me feel uncomfortable.